Okay, here's an example use case for just a proposal for us to use. Let's see. I put it inside Scott Sandbox, and the diagram is called commanding. And if you scroll down here at the bottom of Scott Sandbox, there's one called Update Telemetry Example Use Case, which is right here. And I'll show you a link to a video that EA or Sparks has on their website, which is really good. If you want to know more information, other stuff you can do to use cases, it's probably going to be helpful to know some of that stuff. And if nothing else, it's a very, very well done video. So I'll show you that at the end of this. But here's the use case, just the name. As far as what is, I'm trying to put in here what I think is the minimum stuff that's required. And so here it is. I didn't put a description. I don't think that's required. We at some point may need to update to the requirements, but I don't think so. I think I have another idea of how we can do that. Constraints. This part we do need. The precondition and post. So for this example of update telemetry example, here's the preconditions: ISAT in active communication with ground, ISAT in valid mode to receive command. That's pretty general. Maybe we need more detail than that as far as which mode. I don't know, but definitely has to be in a valid mode. And the post condition: telemetry updated and commanded packets transmitted to ground. And so that's kind of that post condition has now become our success criteria. So when I go to test it, that's what I'm testing for. That's what you're telling me that to be successful in this, that's what you need. And then here's the scenario. It's very simple. It's probably too simple, but user sends a telem control command, and that actually is defined. And I probably should put a link in there to that, but you can create little, you can create links to things. So I could do that. That may need to happen. But user sends the telem control command with the packet and downlink rate selected. There's more information in that command than just that, but for now it's all selected. There's also the login rate. System receives command and updates telemetry accordingly, and then system transmits updated telemetry and rates. Again, this may be not enough detail, so you guys got to tell me what you need. But part of it is we want to. I didn't try to address any exception handling. I think that can get get it to be a lot, and then I think there's the value of having to keep this updated versus your source code. So where's the right balance? That's what we're trying to find here. So there's that, and then let's go take a look at that video where I'll show you where it is. So this will work. And I put it on a link to it on our ExplorerNet page under ISAT flight software. So if you just go to ExplorerNet and type in ISAT flight software, you'll find the link to it. Then if you click on overview over here, you'll get a little menu and then helpful links, and then click here. It's a little bit more tedious than this other stuff, but and then here's using Enterprise Architect, and here's the link to the video. And this guy shows you in about 20 minutes, he shows you like all the details and how to do all the steps as far as adding other stuff, adding exceptions, how you can use it for testing, creating flow diagrams. So that's a good link. I won't go there, but that's how to get to it, and that's all.